Hello viewers, welcome to this modular kitchen walkthrough. This is a parallel kitchen done by us in Pacific blue and light grey color combo. Wall units and additional niches enhance the beauty of the kitchen, also for storage purposes and easy accessibility. The drawers are fitted with accessories which can be customized according to customer's choice. The soft touch closures and convenient handles reflect modular kitchen techniques. We have also offered additional electrical points so that electrical appliances can be used conveniently. The highlight part of this kitchen is the double-side blacktop granite platforms which make the kitchen to look spacious and user-friendly. Further, to know more about the quality, durability and functionality, talk to us.